So hello everyone, this is Divya, Assistant Professor, Department of Data Analytics, Dr. SNSINSTITUTIONS College of Arts and Science. So in today's class, we just make a DJ activity on group discussion, that is cashless society truly beneficial for the India? So for the introduction, for the few years, for the past few years, normally our India, when we come to the cashless transaction is massive growth, which is meets the massive growth for the transaction, especially for the UPI. And then fast online mode transaction has been growth. The growth of the transaction is increased very fastly. So when we are making this cashless transaction, this particularly UPI or those transaction is very fast, wide for the rural. When we comparatively rural is for the rural area also it is possible. So we just make a discussion here when we are moving into this cashless transaction in our growth upcoming economically we are growing in country of growing India. So when we comparatively which is moving into the total cashless is beneficial or not is an important topic to be discussed. So I just make a discussion with the first BSc CSDA for this group discussion. So the students will make a discussion on whether it's okay or not. The discussion will be continue with them. Thank you.
My name is Aksha. I'm going to talk about this cashless society is very beneficial for the Indian society. The cashless society is beneficial for the Indian society only when supported by strong digital security, financial literacy and cybersecurity measures. India is moving rapidly towards the digital payments, but it's still the long-term goal that requires strong cybersecurity measures.
I am Soumya. I want to talk about UPI. National adoptions. UPI has close to Indian transactions for per month. However, quickly transaction digital payments became mainstreams. List of cases, index transactions, 24/7 availability.
Hi, my name is Sahana and today we are going to discuss about is cashless society is truly benefit for India. I think yes, it's maybe benefit because nowadays in modern world digital is everywhere and UPI payment, digital banking is very useful for us. And to explain that some women in household like village or cities, they don't have a personal cash over privacies, so digital payments is very useful for them. It's keep them privacy and give them independence and help them to increase the government schemes. So this speaks about the gender inequality, so it's also useful. And then environment benefits like less printing of cash note means less water, less paper and less transport benefits. So this is slowly saying that less cash is also very useful for us, and it's very useful in pandemic days like COVID. So like there are no ATMs and banks, so we can directly use Paytm, UPI. And then to conclude this group discussion, I'm saying that partly we need both cashless and digital payment. It's helped to coexist. So use safely. Thank you.
Today we are going to discuss about financial inclusion. In UPI digital payment, that is very helpful because the people don't need to visit the bank directly. There is no need of middleman, and even the small wages and payers can get beneficial into your works. So this is truly helpful. But we need to know about this is comfortable for all people. Thank you.
I have to share about the topic of truly benefits, cashless truly benefits. Advantages are nowadays we are transaction between each of the persons like more than 1 lakh rupees or more than 2 lakhs. It makes a management transaction. It makes a good speed of transaction and within a second it pays to another person. Nowadays cashless are a very good opportunity because everywhere because we can't carry the cash how much we want because nowadays the banks are more than in our country. So that cashless benefits are very helpful to move our economy and it's helpful for people to develop their economy. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Susan. I'm going to speak about the topic of cashless society. I'm going to speak about digital mortgage. So basically in rural countries, so there's no network, there's no knowledge of UPI and bank apps. So there's no point of using the cashless society in rural area. And there are many cyber attacks and scams are mainly held in rural areas. So there's no point of using cashless society. But if the point of improving the cybersecurity attacks, like preventing cybersecurity attacks and improving the internet and improving the data structure among the rural people of the rural areas, it might be good for the cashless society. So thank you.
Currently from DA department. Today some group discussions about cashless society. Cashless society means UPI is the main source and they send through mobiles, they send money through mobiles and transaction through banks. So the cashless, there are massive growth of UPI and conservation and innovation at low cost. So because in low cost we can say 24/7 UPI are available at 24/7.
Department of DSCCS Data Analytics. Today's group discussion topic is UPI growth. India's world leaders in UPI-based digital payments. Monthly UPI transaction are in billions, showing huge public acceptance. QR codes everywhere, small shops, street vendors, autos, etc. Government encouraging UPI with futures like UPI Lite, credit on UPI, RuPay credit card on UPI, helps increase tax transparent and reduce black money, fast, free and convenient payment for all.
Myself Sandhya, Department of First Year BSc CSDA. Today group discussion topic about financial inclusion. Cashless society can support financial inclusion in India by bringing more people into the normal banking system and making transaction easy, fast and transparent. Digital platforms like UPI allow rural citizens to access banking service and receiving government benefits directly. Thank you.
Today's group discussion topic is cybersecurity issues, increasing criminal fraud, phishing attack and fake UPI links and OTP scams. Cyber criminals are using AI to create fake messages and websites. Big companies, hospitals, banks and even government portals are facing the fake messages.
Myself transfer is cybersecurity and unauthoritated access to confidential such as the financial information, data, the personal such as the information to identify the credit card number or the person records to identify the financial losses.
Myself Ashita. Today's topic is cybersecurity issue. Cybersecurity issue in India are a growing concern with the country facing numerous data breaches and cyber criminals. As India grows digitally, addressing these cyber security issues is crucial to protect individuals, organizations, and the nation's critical infrastructure. So the students every students having their own point on this group discussion. So I'm here to conclude this topic, that is cashless. Completely the cashless transaction is not possible here, but less cash and more economically more cashless transaction is possible. So when we are making the comparatively also which is having the beneficial, also the having the available there. So when we conclude this, cashless transaction is also useful. Yes, it's having the benefits over there, but sudden changes of complete cashless is never possible. So we can move into the less cash and more online transaction can be possible here. Thank you.